I've been using these Branch Basics Dishwasher Tablets for years now, and they seriously clean so well. I tell everyone I can about them because I honestly just love them that much. One of the things I appreciate the most is knowing that they're non-toxic and safe for my family, so I don't have to worry about harsh chemicals on our dishes. They're made with plant and mineral-based ingredients, and they're free from things like fragrances, plastic, dyes, parabens, sulfates, and chlorine. There are no microplastics or synthetic fillers either, so it feels really clean and safe to use. Their cleaning power is amazing. All of my dishes always come out streak-free and spotless. Even stuck on food and grease come off without needing any extra scrubbing. I also love that these tablets are EWG verified, Made Safe certified, and Leaping Bunny certified. It's nice knowing that I'm using something that's safe for my family, thoughtfully made, and cruelty-free. If you're looking for a dishwasher tablet that's safe, effective, and easy to use every day, these have been a really reliable choice for our family, and I definitely recommend giving them a try.